Good morning, student. Dear student, in our previous class we had completed the chapter 10, which is related to the money. Now, in this class, we will discuss about of the measurement of the length. In your previous classes, you are already familiar with the metric system. You have already learned about the metric system of measurement. There are many types of the metric. If anything, length, weight, that is length, weight, capacity, time. This is the quantity. A quantity of an object which we measure in this way, in the length, in the weight, in the capacity, in the time. So this is the unit. What is the unit of this? You will say it suppose quantity object. Any object in the land we will measure it the unit of metric system. This is a meter. Weight, that is gram. Capacity, that is liter. And time, the standard unit. This is the standard unit of the metric system. Okay, so now in this class we will discuss about of the some other units. What is the measurements of the length? In which unit? Unit and subunits of length. Unit and subunit of the length. We will discuss about of the unit and subunit of the length and relation between them. What is the relation between their units and subunits? We will also discuss, and we will here also learn about how we convert them, and we will convert them in our exercise. Okay, so first we will write the standard unit of length. Which is the standard unit of the length? You will write it, that is meter. That is meter. This is the standard unit of the length, or you can say this is the basic unit. It is also called the basic units of length. Okay. Now some units of the length are we use to measure the length. Some subunits of the length. The subunits. Units and subunits of length. Here we discuss the some subunits of the length. That is what we will also write the kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, that is decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Hectometer, kilometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. These are the subunit of the this is the standard unit. It is standard unit. What of this is the standard unit. these are the subunit of the length. It is the subunit of the length. And the unit which is above, it is the larger unit, and this is the smaller unit. All of you write it. In short, we will write it Km, Hm, Dam, and this is the M, it is the Dm, and it is Cm, and it is the Mn. We will write in the short Km, Hm, Dm, Cm, and Mn. You also learn it. What is the short of the units? Here, these properties each unit is 10 times. Each unit is 10 times its next smaller unit. Second, each unit is 1/10 times of next previous. The first property, according to first property, each unit, that is kilometer, is the 10 times of the hectometer. Kilometer is the 10 times of the hectometer, and hectometer is the 10 times of the decameter, and decameter is the 10 times of the meter, and meter is the 10 times of the decimeter, and decimeter is the 10 times of the centimeter, and centimeter is the 10 times of the millimeter. And each unit is 1/10 times of the previous. Millimeter is the 1/10 times of the centimeter, and centimeter is the 1/10 times of the decimeter, and decimeter is the 1/10 times of the millimeter. That means if we move from above to below, from larger to smaller, then we multiply the number with a number when we move from larger to smaller. We multiply the number with a number which is formed by 1 and how many places we move. That means here you see that if you want to kilometer, 1 kilometer convert into in which unit? Suppose that we want to convert into decimeter. In decimeter. So according to the when we move from larger to smaller, we multiply the number. Here the number is 1 and multiply the number with a number which is formed by 1 and number of zeros. How many places we move? Yes, from kilometer to decimeter. How many places? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we multiply by 10,000. So that is equal to 10,000 decimeter. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10,000 decimeter. In next example, 1 decimeter convert in centimeter. If you want to convert in centimeter, from decimeter to centimeter, how many places you move? 1, 2, 3. Simply you will write at the place of decimeter 1 and to reach at your target. To reach at your target. Yet the target means to reach at that unit in which you want to convert. At how many units have you will go? That is from deci to you will go at the meter, decimeter and centimeter. So 1, 2, 3. That is 1 and 3 0. Okay. So 1 decimeter is equal to 1000 centimeter. So in 5 decimeter, then you multiply 5 into 1000. That is 5000 decimeter. It's clear? You will write it. We multiply the number with number which is formed by 1 and number of 0. How many? That how many units place we move? Okay. Move or change. Next, when we convert a smaller unit to larger unit, we divide the number by a number by a number which is formed by 1 and number of 0 to reach that unit at how many we go. Suppose let 1 milliliter convert into decameter. How many decameter are how many meters? Suppose that how many meters? Here you see that you will write this is the millimeter. You will write 1 and it will divide. What we do? We go smaller to larger. When we go smaller to larger, now we divide by which number? That is, we divide that number 1 and number of 0 at how many places? At how many and the number of 0, number which formed by 1 and the number of 0 to reach that unit at how many units we go? To reach that unit. Here the meter is here. To reach the meter at how many units we will go? Millimeter, from millimeter 1, 2, 3, or from millimeter that is centimeter. First we go to the centimeter. First we go to centimeter, then decimeter, then we reach the millimeter. So we will divide by. Okay, it's clear. To convert a unit from larger to smaller, we will multiply, and to convert a unit from smaller to larger, we will divide. To learn this unit, how we convert, what is the relation between the one unit to another unit, we will learn the order of this. First is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, then after millimeter. The order is very important. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Example we take 5 kilometer convert in decimeter. We want to convert in the decimeter. What is the relation between the kilometer and decimeter? To find out the relation between the kilometer and decimeter, first we write 1 kilometer is equal to how many decimeter? Here we write at the place of kilometer. To find out the relation, we will find right. First we write the given unit in their orders. So we want to convert the kilometer into decimeter. Convert into decimeter. 5 kilometer convert into decimeter. So we will find out what is the relation. What is the value of 1 kilometer? Here we convert from larger to smaller. So we will multiply with their relation. So what is the relation? To find out the relation, we will write the 1 at the place of kilometer. Now, to reach the decimeter, how many units have we go? How many units we have to go? To reach the decimeter, here is the decimeter. To reach the decimeter, how many units we have to go? That is, first we go at the hectometer. Then 10, then decimeter 20, then meter 30, and then decimeter, that is 40. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,0,0,0 decimeter. Right? So what is the 5 kilometer? Then 5 kilometer is equal to 5 into 10000 decimeter, that is 50,000 decimeter. It's clear? Next, we take the next. What is it? 1 hectometer convert in the centimeter, or you can say 7 hectometer. To convert a hectometer into centimeter, hectometer is the larger unit and centimeter is the smaller unit. So to convert a larger unit in the smaller unit, we will multiply with their relation. A number multiply with their relation. Now what is the relation between hectometer and centimeter? So to find out the relation between hectometer and centimeter, we will write at the front of hectometer 1, and to reach the centimeter, at how many units as we go. That means hectometer is 1, then decameter 10, meter 20, decimeter 30, and centimeter, that is 40. So 1 hectometer is equal to 10,000 centimeter. So 7 hectometer is equal to 7 into 10,000, that is 70,000 centimeter. One more popular, that is 5. What is the relation? 1 kilometer meter. Here the 1. So what is the relation between kilometer? Here we will write at the place of kilometer 1. 2 is the meter. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 0 after the 1. That is 1,000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. 1 decimeter, 1 millimeter, 1 meter. In 1 meter, how many millimeter? Here is the meter and 2 is the millimeter. 1, 2, 3. There we will write the 1. 1, 2, 3. That is 1,000. How many 0? 3 0. 3 0 with 1 make the 1,000. Okay? It's clear? Now, next, if you want to 1 millimeter into the meter, what is the meter value? Here millimeter convert in the meter, smaller to larger, smaller to larger. So we write 1 upon. By which number we will divide? Here the millimeter and this is the meter. From the millimeter to reach the meter, 1, 2, 3. So we will get 3 0. A number with 1 and 3 0, which is formed by 1 and 3 0. That is 1 upon 1000. Next, 1 centimeter is equal to how much meter? Centimeter. This is the centimeter. So centimeter and meter, smaller to larger, smaller to larger. So we will divide. We will divide 1 divide by which number? From centimeter to meter, 1, 2. By a number in which 2 0. To reach the meter, we will go the 2 units. At the 2 units, from centimeter to meter, we will go decimeter and meter, 2 units. So we will divide by 100. It's clear? Okay. So you note it, and now we come on the exercise 11A. If you understand it, then there will be no problem in the exercise 11A. Exercise, sorry, problem set 11. That is question number 1. In the question number 1, name the measurements for length in the metric system. Write the same abbreviated form. Name the measurement for length in the metric system. What is the name of the measurements for the length in the metric system? You can write it. That is the meter is the standard unit. Meter is standard unit. After that, there will be kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. The 7 units. These 7 units the measurements for the length in the metric system. Write the same abbreviated form. Same in the abbreviated form. It is in the abbreviated form. Okay. The name. It is the abbreviated form. You can write the full name. What does the prefix milli means? Second, what does the prefix milli mean? What is the relation? That means, second, what does the milli means? That is, what is the relation between millimeter and meter? What is the relation between millimeter and meter? What will the relation between millimeter and meter? Here the meter and this is the millimeter. Millimeter to meter, that is 1 to 3, that is 1 upon 1000. The relation between meter and millimeter is 1 upon 1000. That is 1 upon 1000 part. It is 1 upon 1000 part. How will you find? You will write the here 1 meter to millimeter to meter. Here 1 upon 11230. It is 1 upon thousands. Okay. How many meters are in a kilometer? Third, how many meters are in kilometer? Here, kilometer, 1 kilometer, that is how. Yes, larger to smaller. We will convert the unit larger to smaller. To convert the unit larger to smaller, we will write the 1 at the place of given unit. 1, 1, 2, 3. So 30. The 1 made with the 30, that is the 1000. That is 1000 meters. Okay. What is the standard unit for measuring length in the metric system? That is written by me. That is meter. Now 5, complete each the statement. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can solve the question. If you understand, that is how we convert a unit from smaller to larger and larger to smaller. Okay, students, in the today's class we have discussed about of the units of the length. Units of the length. Their standard unit and their sub units. Which is the larger to the standard unit and which is smaller to the standard unit. First you learn the order. Name of the units and their abbreviation and their order. Then you can construct or you can convert one unit to another unit with their order. Okay. Thank you. Good day.